You're closer than you think. The truth about breaking through in the cleaning industry. Hey, y'all, it's Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant. And listen, if you've been out here bidding, doing walkthroughs, follow ups, and still not seeing results, this is for you. Because I need to remind you of something. You're not far. You are so much closer than you think. Don't let frustration lie to you. Now, if you've been showing up, bidding, and doing the work, but still haven't landed that big contract, this video is a reminder. You're not far. In this episode, I'm sharing the real truth about how success shows up in the commercial cleaning industry and why your breakthrough might be closer than it looks. When it feels like nothing's working, you feel like you're doing everything right and it's just not clicking yet. I know that feeling. I've been there. You're quoting, showing up, even doing the mindset work, and it still feels like nobody's biting. But I promise you, what feels like silence is just delay, not denial. People are watching, decisions are being made, and your name is already on someone's list. You just haven't seen it yet. I had someone in my program real quiet, barely said a word. They were bidding and losing, bidding and losing. I could see they were close. So I told them, just stay in it. See, because in every state, the pricing's different. I don't give you guys the price, I just get you to the money. So it happened with several of my clients. It happens with me. You do a bid, you don't hear anything, and you kind of get a little discouraged, especially if it's something that you really want. But then the next thing you know, one of those companies that you thought forgot about you called you back. And it's a big account, solid contract, and it's a game changer. What looked like nothing was something already in motion. That's how this business works. Your breakthrough is already in the room. I need you to hear this. You don't need 100 wins. You need the right win. Just like my new client got one client, now she has 6 buildings. So you just need one good connection. It could be that one connection, that one meeting, that one follow-up that opens the floodgates. But if you stop showing up, if you pull back now, you'll never know how close you really were. So don't rob yourself of that moment. Keep showing up. I know this grind gets lonely, and it's a very lonely walk. And I know it gets slow. But success in commercial cleaning is not luck. It's consistency, it's positioning, and it's definitely patience. You've already planted the seeds. And I always use that expression. You got to go around and plant the seeds. Like I've been planting seeds for 15 years, and now I'm seeing a harvest. So that's why you got to have patience. It takes time for people to get to know who you are. It takes time to just learn what you need to do in this business. It's a lot. So you have to keep showing up so you can water those seeds. Period. You got to keep showing up. And if this was a reminder you needed today, let me know in the comments. I want to hear from you. And if you're ready to really start winning these bids, hit the subscribe button because I'm not just here to motivate you. I'm here to equip you. Drop a comment below and let me know where you are in your journey. Need help learning how to bid the right way? Subscribe and tap the bell. I got trainings coming that'll change everything. There's link below so that you can get the bidding app if you want to schedule a call. And I also put the link to the Clean Biz Network Conference. If you guys are new to the industry, or if you're old and you haven't attended the Clean Biz Network Conference, you need to get in that room. You really need to get in that room. So the link for that is also in the description. So you guys, I will see you on the next video.